Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into Prosperi Academy. Prosperi Academy is a platform designed to help you build wealth through real estate investing. Here's a quick rundown of what you can expect. Comprehensive courses. They offer a variety of courses covering essential topics like finding and analyzing deals, funding your investment, property management, and advanced investing strategies. Community and support. Connect with other investors, mentors, and industry professionals. Real world application. Giant practical experience through real world case studies and mentorship opportunities. Prosperi Academy is a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced investors. If you are serious about building wealth through real estate, I highly recommend checking out Prosperi Academy. You can find the link to Prosperi Academy in the description below. And that's it for today. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate investing tips. Thanks for watching.